everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I am going to share a review on the product which has recently launched by Pond's. So Pond's has launched these two facial kits. The first one is this vitamin brightening facial kit and the second one is the charcoal anti-pollution kit. So even boys can use that kit if they don't want to use this one. So yeah, if you want to see an honest review and my experience with this product, so please keep watching. So let's just talk about the packaging of this product. So I think it's really travel friendly and you can take it anywhere, because the first thing which I liked about this product is it comes in this cardboard like structure, so it's pretty easy for you to carry it anywhere. And the second thing what I liked about this product, that it does not come in sachets. It comes in this tube like structure, which I think it's pretty easy for you to carry it anywhere. So the next thing what I liked about this product is everything is written on this package, and you can see there is written step 1, step 2, step 3. So it's pretty easy for you to apply it and you don't have to struggle with what product has to be used first. So all the steps are written on the tubes as well. So let's just talk about the price of this product. So I bought this from Nykaa and it costed me 340 rupees including the shipping charges, but without shipping it was for 300. And you can use this product at least twice or thrice, so it's pretty decent amount, So let's just see how my experience was with this product. And I used it at night yesterday and I'll just show you how it was.
Okay, so the first step is cleansing, and this kit says that apply on the face and neck, massage in small circular strokes for 2 to 3 minutes and wipe off with moist cotton. I don't have cotton, so here I'm using this tissue paper. Now the step 2 has Pond's brightening scrub, and it says apply the scrub all over the face, but I do have small pores near my nose and my chin, so I'm using it only there. So the third step has this nourishing cream and it's a gel based structure. So the kit says massage the nourishing cream gently with fingertips till it gets absorbed, and my face really felt a lot more softer after applying it. Fourth step has this massage cream and it says that massage the cream on your face and neck in light circular upward strokes for 10 to 15 minutes. Use water if needed. After massaging, clean your face with the tissue paper. Now the fifth step has this Pond's Vita mask, which says apply the mask in a thin even layer all over the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with splashes of cold water and pat dry. I don't know if you guys can see any difference on my skin, but it really feels a lot more softer and I could see a little bit of that glow on my skin. Now the sixth and last step has this Pond's brightening cream, and you just need to apply it with the tip of your fingers on your face gently.
So that was it for today, guys. I think this product is worth 300 rupees because first of all you can use this product at least 2 to 3 times and it just costs 300 bucks. And the second thing I liked about this product, that you don't have to go anywhere, you can do your facial at home. And I think this kit does tremendous job for 300 bucks. And yeah, you can buy this product if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So till then, bye.